So first thing I want to tell you from my own personal experience is that I obviously did not start with a perfect routine. For long time, for 6-7 months, I was daily adjusting my routine, daily having problems, daily not being able to get a lot of output, and a lot of times also struggling because I was not even sure what to study in the first 3-4 months of my UPSC preparation. I was struggling by myself and I was trying to figure it out by myself. And even if you are a coaching center student who's studying at a coaching institute, yes, they give you a schedule, but even then you face a lot of this struggle because you are not sure exactly how to prepare, where to prepare from, how to manage your time, how to take out time in order to be able to revise and do your own practice, right? So the way you have to do it is, instead of actually making hour by hour timetable, I have recommended this before also, I think what you should do is that you should make a phase wise timetable. You should divide your entire day into 4 or 5 phases, and then you should follow these phases in order to be able to achieve that day's routine output or routine, be able to achieve the routine that you want to have every day. What should be the overall view of this routine? What should be the overall principle driving this routine? It should be simple as that whatever I have set out to do this month, I should be able to achieve this month. Let's say I have set out to finish Lakshmikant, do current affairs of this month, and do a little bit of writing practice. Then you should be able to achieve that goal at the end of the month, and also see improvement in that particular period of time. All right, that should be the overall way you should be thinking about your routine.